Yeah, yeah, yeah. And I'm getting tighter. You got me on the floor. Yeah. Check. Listen. 2023, happy new year. Lost a few things last year, but I'm still here, heavy breathing, barely sleeping. You know I'm feeling for some love, baby. I've been on the road lately, caught a few taxis, got around lately. I've been thinking about you every day lately. Know we broke up in December, memories ain't hazy. I know I'm in your mind too, baby, boo, I miss you too. Regretting it all the time. I'm a complex soul, need reassurance every time. Hit me on my line, you know I'm all in all the time. If you wanna talk, then let's talk. Difficult mind, knew you were mine. You lacked in patience, I lacked in time. You just defensive, I'm nonchalant. We both sober, we needed blunts. Arguments are dragged, let your homies know and the others let them know. Also keep it in-house, you just said no. Now verbally with media, you heard me. Mentally, I've been in and out. Drinking till I black out. Loose screws in my head, baby, I've been in and out. I've been in and out. Yeah. Me on the floor. And the screws are getting tighter. You got me on the floor. Yeah, 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 yeah. And the screws are getting tighter.